Hey everybody, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. Welcome to GC. This is a 2017 Aquila 44. Very lightly used, about 1,000 hours on the engines. It is a turnkey Aquila 44. Give me a call today, 561-654-6058 to set up a showing. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.